Hi, welcome to this tutorial on how to use Osmos Sales CRM. Let's get started. To begin, let's define your sales process. Go to a lead section and select the three dots. Then click on deal type and choose between creating a new deal type or using the one that is already predefined. A deal type categorizes and organizes sales opportunities based on specific characteristics, such as the nature of the sale or the product offered. To add the stages, select the desired deal type and list the stages that have already been created, assigning a color to each one. Make sure that the stages are correctly ordered. If necessary, you can rearrange the stages by dragging them. Now, it's time to create an activity list. These activities represent the different actions and tasks that sales representatives perform when working with leads and business deals. In the list section, click on the three dots and choose the option Manage Activities. From there, you can add or edit the default activities according to your needs. I will guide you in detail on how to integrate your business email with Osmos. This practice will allow you to have more efficient and professional control over your interactions with clients. Go to Email section, access the email configuration, and click on it to start the setup process. Enter your IMAP credentials in the corresponding fields. You can obtain the IMAP detail from your hosting provider. Please note that the information may vary from one provider to another. You can use the sample shown as a reference. Once you have entered your IMAP credentials, you will be able to access your inbox and view your emails. However, it's important to note that at this time, you will only be able to read and view your emails. You won't be able to compose new messages. Select the Compose option, and the DNS configuration will open for you to make the necessary adjustments. To send emails using Osmos, you will need to add DNS records to your hosting service. This will ensure that your emails are sent correctly. Add your own domain, for example, noveltriso.com. Access your hosting provider and add the three DNS records shown in this window. If you are not familiar with this process, we recommend contacting your hosting provider and provide them with these records. Unfortunately, we cannot provide a specific technical support for this function. After adding the DNS records, click on Verify Domain. Please note that the configuration may take a few minutes or up to 24 hours to complete. To check if your DNS records have been configured correctly, simply click on Compose. Once you log in, be sure to enter your name exactly as you want it to appear to the recipients of your emails. Also, provide the email address that you will use to send the messages, which must be associated with the same domain name you have verified in the DNS configuration. Once you have done this, you can send your first email by clicking on Compose. If you want to verify your DNS configuration and your emails, simply click on DNS. I will guide you step by step through the process of inviting your team to join your workspace and collaborate together to achieve your sales goals. It's important to note that only members with specific assigned roles can invite other team members. You have three options to invite new members to your team. The first option is during the onboarding process. When creating the workspace, you have the option to invite team members. Add the member's name, last name, email address, and role. You can customize and create new roles for your team members. Another option is go to the Plan section. Click on your profile image or navigate in the side menu to Plan. Add the team member's email and select the role. You can customize and create new roles for your members. Finally, in the Team Management section, select the New button and then click on New User. This will allow you to add a new member to your team. Enter the member's information, such as the name, an email address, and click on Next. Then, select a role for each member. choosing from the predefined roles or creating new custom roles for your team. Review and customize the permissions of the members as needed. Make sure that each member has the appropriate permissions for the role in the workspace. Optionally, you can add the member to a specific team. Then click on Create Member to finalize the process of onboarding the new member to your team. The member will receive a confirmation email, and once they accept it, they will be added to the workspace. Go to the Contact section and click on Add Contact. Then enter the necessary information for the contact and make sure to save the changes successfully. There you go, your contact has been added. In this step, we're going to convert the added contact into a lead. Go to a lead section and click on Add Lead. Then select the contact that you want to convert into a lead and click on Convert to Lead. There you have it! Your contact has now been successfully qualified as a lead. In this part, we're going to add a deal to a lead. A deal, also known as opportunity, is a fundamental component of a CRM. It serves as the foundation for making a sale. In the lead section, select the lead you want to add a deal and click on Add Deal. Next, add the title for the deal. Choose a deal type and select the corresponding stage. Scroll down and provide the forecast date and the deal value. Finally, click on Add Deal to complete the process. To add activities to a deal, select the desired deal and click on the activity log icon. You can customize the activity icon by clicking on it. Then, choose an activity from the list and record your notes. Click on Add Note to save the activity. If you want to edit an existing note, simply click on the corresponding pencil icon. The sales process typically progresses through the stages, starting from the initial contact with a lead and leading to the successful sale closure. To modify the stages of a deal or set its outcome won, lost, or abounded, select the corresponding deal. Scroll down and choose the desired stage for the deal. You can utilize the Kanban view in the lead section to update the stage of a deal. Click on the Kanban view icon. Select the deal type you want to visualize and then drag and drop the corresponding card to update the stage of the deal. You're now ready to excel with Osmos Sales CRM. Thank you for your attention.